You know how sometimes the smallest things can really throw off the professional look of a business?
Yeah, for sure.
Well, we're going deep today on one of those tiny but important details, specifically in how business systems handle text input and how that can, well, totally change how professional a company appears.
Interesting.
And to help us unpack this, we have Noorul from Tayana Solutions, who brings 5 years of experience in the ERP space. She's seen it all, having worked across over 150 different setups in every Acumatica edition.
Wow, that's a lot of Acumatica. So let's jump right in. What kind of seemingly insignificant detail did Neural find herself tackling this time?
So imagine you're inputting customer names into your system,
Right. Pretty basic stuff.
and you expect them to appear exactly as typed, with proper capitalization. But the system just decides to force everything into uppercase, no matter what.
Oh, I see. So like John Smith instead of Jen Smith.
Exactly. And that was the exact problem the rule ran into.
I can see how that would be a problem. It does kind of look like you're yelling at the customer when it's all in caps.
Yeah, exactly. It just instantly feels less professional. And Noorul pointed out that it wasn't just customer names either. Sometimes product codes or other important data need that specific mix of uppercase and lowercase to be correct.
Oh, yeah, I can see how that could cause confusion.
Exactly. And this can snowball. Inconsistent formatting just makes reports look messy,
Totally.
and someone has to go back and fix it manually, which wastes time and opens the door for errors. So, Neural, how did you even approach this? How did you track down the cause?
Well, the customer feedback was pretty clear. Their names were showing up in all caps on invoices and reports, even though they were typing them correctly.
Oh, so they noticed it right away.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty hard to miss. So I started digging into the system configuration for those specific fields, like the customer name field in the Acumatica forms.
So you were looking for what was causing that uppercase conversion.
Yeah, basically. And the technical assessment pointed to a missing piece, an input mask attribute on the customer name field. It's basically like a set of rules that tell the system how to handle the text.
An input mask.
Okay.
So without it, the system defaults to all caps.
Exactly.
So this wasn't like a huge system overhaul to fix then?
Not at all. Just updated the Acumatica customization to add that missing input mask attribute to the customer name field. We published the change, did some testing to make sure it worked, and that was it.
So then everything appeared exactly as typed. No more uppercase mayhem.
Exactly. Problem solved.
It's kind of amazing though, right? How such a small detail can make such a big difference in how professional a business looks.
Oh, absolutely. And it makes you think, are there other little inconsistencies like this that are impacting businesses without them even realizing?
Right. So if you're running into similar frustrations with your systems, maybe you're battling unwanted all caps or other formatting headaches, or maybe you're just looking to make your Acumatica setup as smooth and professional as possible, Tayana Solutions can absolutely help. Give them a call at 678-910-2774 to chat about your specific needs and get things straightened out.